In this video, I'll show you how you can gift money in Steam. Now what you want to do is you want to come here on Steam and go to the store, search for Steam gift card, right here, open it up, and in here you want to press send a digital Steam gift card. Once you've done that, just select which one you want. So let's say you want to gift 5 euros, you can select this one. You'll come to the friends page, and in here you just want to select the friend that you want to give it to. So let's just say this guy, and then press continue. In here you can type in their name if you want, or you can just type something random. Make a gift message and you sign it. After that, let's just say his name is Jake. Here is your gift. Best wishes. Just anything, my name. Press continue, and then you'll get to the payment. In here you can select PayPal, or you can use any of these right here. You can use a credit card and anything. After you've done that, just press continue and you will now have sent them this. Now they will get a notification up here that they got it, and when they open Steam and on their email as well, they'll also get it. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.